In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the variable valve timing solenoids on this BMW 328i. Let's get into it. You can see the two solenoids here. There's a lower one and the upper one. The procedure is going to be the same for both. Disconnect the connector. Just push down on that little spring release. Move the wire out of the way. Using a 10mm socket, take that bolt out. Pull that out. Grab the solenoid. Just wiggle it back and forth a little bit. Just to break it free. And you should be able to pull it out. Just be careful. It slides right out. You want to make sure the O-ring came off with it. If not, you want to reach down and grab the O-ring, pull that out. Just taking a rag, just cleaning out the hole. There's a little bit of dirt in there. You can use a little brake clean if you need to. Just wipe that down. Now just put a little silicone on the O-ring. Slide that in place. Just be careful. And push that in. Get the bracket to line up. Take the screw, get that started. And snug that down. Take the connector, line that up, and lock it in place.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.